What is up everyone, I hope you enjoyed these videos on price predictions, specifically today on ARBITRUM. We're looking for discovering what's happening in December as we see the crypto moving again, so I thought I'm going to giving it a discussion. ARBITRUM is having a huge amount of development going behind their performance, and specifically talking about their community, it is actually performing at the highest level. So we don't exactly see the same picture mirrored on the price action, and this is not an issue for me, guys. Been around since 2014 on trading cryptocurrencies, and I've seen a lot of the altcoins out there that had great advancing fundamentals, but the price action was delayed towards that. But let me tell you something, when they started to move, they did big time. So if you see ARBITRUM at $50 at some point, you should remember the words I'm speaking about it today. Now, before we get into the topic, make sure to like this video if you enjoyed and subscribe to the YouTube channel for many other presentations and price predictions. We have quite a lot going on the channel, including our trades that are pretty much live. 45 grand on BTC on Bybit right here, it's running fine. If you want to be part of my trades, you can do it, no prior fee. Only commission from the profits we achieve. We trade for you through API trading permission, and commission is paid by you every 7 days. We can trade on any exchange. We can basically do any type of trading, whether we talk about spot, derivatives, margin, or anything you guys prefer. At the same time, if you believe and value education, then we have a one-on-one coaching. If you're serious about this business and would like to get your weapons ready for the next bull market, make sure you check this out as well. ARBITRUM situation. Well, where's my brush? Well, here's my brush. Now, we've been talking about it. There is a volume weighted average price pattern with a horizontal red line telling us that right now, exactly at this very moment, by continuing this line straight, we are dealing with the most meaningful key level existing on the charts since April 2023. We're actually in a situation out here that generates the perfect market structure for the continuation towards $1.8, $1.9 in the ARBITRUM's situation. The number one roadblock we're going to have is the major supply level situated between 1.3, 1.35 cents along the way, slightly above the golden pocket area. This is going to be quite difficult, guys, because there's two structures acting as zones, which is always the highest level of structure resistance that you can have. Now, the good part is that if you successfully break out of the current red line, you are actually entering in a phase of the market that sits in the upper side of the buying area, right? So anything that is below the red line as a market structure means that you are not having released that buying pressure that is wild. But at the time you're trading above the red line, the horizontal red line, you're actually under circumstances of releasing the crazy and wild buying pressure that a lot of you guys are expecting with the altcoins. You know, those movements that are 20-30% in a single day. That's what I'm actually talking about. Now, this is where ARBITRUM sits at the moment, dealing with that energy, which is so far handling it very well. And most likely, with 99 probabilities chances, we are dealing with a push towards the next supply level situated between 1.3 and 35. The only way we're not going to get there is BTC takes a major crash. That will be the only way. We are not going to touch the 1.3, 1.35 from the current level, which is a return of at least 10% on the table. Not bad at all, especially with leverage, a lot of the money to be made right there. We got supported and reacted amazingly on 50 days and 100 days. One thing that I enjoy is that the markets are already structurized from the moving averages well, which means that 50 days is sitting above 100 days, and it already confirmed numerous times support on the line. So it has been touched, found support, has been touched, found support, retested over and over again to print those damn patterns for traders that it's time to be part of the trade. It's time to be part of the ARBITRUM. It's exactly here. And on top of that, we have our demand level. It's a zone right there that has been confirming. I mean, we've pushed above and we came back to it. This price plus this retest, which is also a minor higher low. Over there you have another one. is clearly telling us the markets are pressing and pressing and pushing towards highest levels, aiming to break out from the resistance existent. So that's pretty much all on Arbitrum side, folks. We're looking for the target of the upcoming 2 supply levels, and whether we would like to zigzag in between, poke below, touch the previous top, it's all great and bullish in order to talk about the $1.4 level. I mean, once you clear the golden pocket at 1.45, there's nothing that stops you until 1.7, 1.75. It's this liquidity structure at the top that will represent a selling energy which is going to step into the markets. So this is a cryptocurrency which you are talking about it today at this level, but when you're going to see it at a double digits, and you might check out this video as well, in a period of time, of course, because double digits from here are not going to appear by tomorrow, probably somewhere around 2024, late 2024, if everything goes fine in the crypto space with the regulatory situations, we are going to see Arbitrum in the double digits area. If the bull market starts by having Arbitrum on double digits already, it's going to push to the 40, 50, 60, $70. So this is a 50, 60, 70x. $10,000 on a 50x is actually $500,000. What do you think about having $500,000 around 2026? I mean, it's not even 2024 yet. We're in December 2023. But talking about 2026, $500,000 right there. Obviously, it's a speculatory problem. We can agree to disagree that there's many levels and layers around where the price action could stop during a bull market of the Arbitrum. Could stop at $30, $40, could stop at 25, 30x as well. But I wouldn't refuse with a 10 grand, $300,000 at the end of the day. That's pretty much all on the topic, folks. That's all related to this one. Once again, if you would like to be part of my trades, we have one going right here. We have many other trades performing on many exchanges. Feel free to reach out. No prior fee, only commission from the profits made. We perform the trading for you through API trading permission, or you can apply by performing the trades for yourself. There is a signals type of option as well, the option number 2, but that one comes as a monthly fixed fee. It's not based on profits and commission. So the educational part as well, intensively one-on-one with me, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade, diving into the charts, strategies, indicators, sharing with you my screen, giving you homework and exercises, trading together, performing it at the highest level possible. Register now for more information and check out the video. Like this one, subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.